little frittatas. Here's why I love an air fryer. First of all, it's just compact, it's easy, and it is quick. And I love eating fried food. I'm Southern. Southerners like to eat fried food. This is a way of eating fried food without all the guilt, but you're still getting a lot of the taste. And it's also super quick, which when people are on the go, I want to always come up with different ideas that they can eat still healthy when they have to make it more quickly. So I have this one recipe that is like kind of a go-to for me. It's these little frittatas in these silicone cupcake holders that I love. And so it's really easy. Do you want me to show you how I do it?
I do, and I love that you use silicone cupcake holders. That's brilliant.
Yeah, it's really brilliant. So here's what I do. I get 8 eggs, but I do 6 egg whites, and then I add in 2 whole eggs. The reason I do that is because I want my eggs to look yellow, but I don't want all the fat because I'm going to be putting the fat in with the cheese. I use Gouda cheese, which I like Goudas and eggs together. So I do a little coconut milk. I add that nutritional yeast because it gives you that flavor that's like
of
almost
cheese,
cheesy.
Right? Yep.
Yep. But then, Gouda, I put in a good.
But the nutritional yeast is such a hot button, really cool ingredient right now. Not only is it the vegan alternative to like parm, but it's such a cool ingredient that everyone is writing about and talking about online and using in all their recipes. Very cool.
I love it. So now vegetables that I put, like today, I'm doing onion, mushroom, and asparagus. But this, if you want to do potatoes, if you want to do, I've even done it with kale, throw a little onion in there, and then the mushroom. Like you can add any kind of vegetable you want. I add a little salt and pepper, but it's one of those kind of things, whatever vegetables you've got in your refrigerator, in your house, use it because it can all be done.
That works.
Salt, pepper,
right.
Boom, boom, boom. Throw it over my shoulder.
Over the
like
shoulder.
Rachael. Yep. And then now from here, this is what's so cool. I like to do a lot. And these air fryers, they come with a little basket. So then you just kind of like spoon these in. Boom. Try not to make a mess when you're doing it. Which
you
is really.
You should make a mess. Why not? It's your kitchen. A mess means you had fun.
Well, that's true. Like that's what you've ever taught me. Like when people are always asking about like things that I cook, you always have taught me about like, yes, there's got to be some sort of precision in there, but it's a feel, right? Like you kind of see.
Yes, and it should be about having fun and sharing.
Correct.
It should not be about being tense, man. It should just be about having fun.
Exactly. So now I put that in there, stick it into your air fryer at 300 degrees for about 12 minutes. What you can do is use a little toothpick and make sure it's all cooked through. Then check these out because they came out really nicely.
Oh my God, they're beautiful.
Look,
they're little
look how cute
frittata
that is.
cupcakes.
Can you see it?
They're frittata cupcakes.
And look, on the go, make a bunch of these, stick them in your refrigerator, throw them in a bag. I mean, they travel really nicely. Look at that.
You know, you could make, how many of those at a time, Bob? 6? 5?
This was like 1, 2, 3, 4. We made like almost a dozen.
That's amazing.
It's cheap.